Welcome back, everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML picture element. One thing I want to show you guys today is when to use the picture element. There are two main purposes for the picture element. The first one is bandwidth. If you have a small screen or device, it's not necessary to load a large image file. The browser will use the first source element, which match with matching attribute values, and ignore the ignore any of the following element formats. Some browser or devices may not support the second way. The second time you can use it is in case you want to support any kind of format of image or whatever. So the second type is format support. So some browsers or devices may not support all image formats. By using the picture element, you can add images of all formats, and the browser will use the first format it recognizes and ignore any of the following elements. So for example, when we use this now, the browser will use the first image format it recognizes. That is, the browser, like I told you earlier in the picture, the browser will use the first one here and come back to this one. Let me show you quickly. So let me use this one we are having. So we have in our format tutorial, we have this is what we have. So I think we have this. So I want to show you something now. The trick here is, let's open this on our browser to see how it looks. Our browser looks like this, right? Because we are having 1 2 3. So when we are having 1 2 3 like this, definitely when we are zooming, when we are coming up, coming down, our browser will, if you don't know how we got this one, you can watch our previous tutorial. I'm just trying to rush so I can be able to teach you something reasonable here. So the thing I want to show you here is that the picture that is displaying right now is this get picture, which is the last picture you can find here. So, and also here in our food picture here, if our food picture is having problem here, you will not believe what will happen. Let's say our food picture is having format problem. Let's say instead of JPG it's having JSG. Let's see what will happen. Can you see what happened? Can you see what happened? Let's bring it up. Can you see? Can you see what happened? Can you see what happened? Can you see what happened? Can you see? You can notice what happened. The first one has a problem and it took the second one. The third one is showing. So let's clean this. Let's let's leave it again. Let me show you. The first one is having problem, right? And it's trying to display the second one for us, right? The third one has also. But imagine this thing. This thing is not here. This media screen is not here. You will not believe what will happen. Let me remove the. Let me just remove the first one first. Let's see what will happen. Let's reload. Can you see? 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 Nothing displays again. Nothing displays again. So definitely, if one is having format problem without having, especially without having media query here, this one is media something. So is media query, we call it media query. So this one now, if this one is not having this media attribute here, and like let's say this one that is having problem is not having this media attribute behind it, it will affect everything. It will not even go down again. It will not even read anything again. If it's trying to read, it will not read something that is visible again. So let's now use alt attribute alt and write something. Let's write girl pic girl picture. We see what will happen. Can you see the girl picture displays? So definitely it's telling us that it don't want to see anything again than text. You don't want to hear anything again. Come on. This one don't want to hear anything again. That's what he's saying. Instead of switching to another picture that we define that is nice here, it's not going to switch. It's not even going to take this one in the image tag. no matter how it will happen. So it will only come to the text, anything that is having text. That's why it's coming here and take this text here. The funniest part is that. So let's now say we are having the media query there. Let's say we are having this media here. When we specify the media, it will switch to another image that is not having problem, which is what? Which is this guy. It will switch to the last image that is here. You know that instead of it to switch to this car image, it doesn't switch. But if it's not the format error is having, let's say the JPG is correct, but the format, the error that is having is only empty line. Let's say there is nothing inside there. The error is the kind of error it's having is that it's going to switch to this one. But if not, it just take this one direct. But this one now is going to switch to the car. Let me show you. Can you see the car is there? Sorry. Let me show you something. Let's take this back. It's supposed to show you this one also. Can you see the full PSG? Let's change this to PXG with media query. It's supposed to jump to this place now. So can you see? It's not jump. It just jump to this get picture text. So instead of it to jump to this car, it doesn't jump because it is format error. But if it's not format error, if it's spacing error, if it's empty error, it will jump. Can you see? It jump to the car error. So, and also the funniest part is that now it's because of this media query is able to jump. If you are not having this media here, it will never jump. Let's remove the media now. No. Let's remove. No. The media. Yeah, it will jump. So let's. What I want to do now is that here. Let's say for instance, we don't have this one here. Let's delete this one. After deleting this one, let's say this one is no more there. No. We don't give an error here. So let's give an error there. Let's say we are giving an error like ASP. Can you see the get displays? But if the media GSP, GSG, the error is because the error is picture error, the format error is display the ALT here. But if the error is not format error, if it's empty error that is not be found, it will display some. So that's what I'm trying to show you here. I want you to understand this very well. I want you to understand this very well. So I wish to see you guys next time. Anwar akorede, ayofe is my name. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a great